Well, hi guys, I wanted to do this video to show you how to write your numbers in your writing handwriting book. Okay? I've written number 1 and number 2, so I'm just going to trace them over so that you can see that. And we're going to try to write at least 5 numbers in this line and 5 numbers at the bottom. So you have number 1. When you're starting with 1, you're going to go from the top all the way to the bottom, a straight line as you can, all the way to the bottom. Number 1. For number 2, you are going to start, like halfway up between the dotted line and the solid line. You're going to start up there and you're going to go in this direction all the way down and across. So you're moving in this direction and you're going across. Let's go for number 3. In number 3, you're going to do basically the same thing like you'd started with the number 2. So you're going to start up here, like halfway, go all the way up, come down. When you're coming down in the middle, you are going to go this way and then you are going to go back down. Do you see that? Number 3. Then you are going to do number 4 because I just want you to know that there's a circular lines when you're doing the number 3. Then for number 4, you're going to do it in 2 strokes. You're going to start up here and then you're going to go across like this, and then you are going to come down like this, all the way down like this. 2 strokes, 1 this way, and you're going to get the numbers. You're going to start at least from the top as well. Sorry. So let me do that over so that you can see it better. Let me do this number over so you can see it better. So let's do number 4 over so it can be easier to see. So remember, you're doing the 2 strokes. You're starting up here, you're going across, and then you're going to start way up at the top as well and come all the way down. That's how you do the number 4. Then number 5. Let's do number 5. Number 5 is you're going to start over here. Then you're going to do, this is the second stroke. So you're starting here, you're doing the second stroke that way at the top, and then you're going to do the circular part of the 5. And remember, you're going to try to make it end like that. So you're starting here first. I'm going to put an arrow down here. You're going to start here first, then you're going to do this direction second. So I'm going to put a number 1 here and then number 2 here. So you can see that. You're starting here, you're doing the number 2, and then you're doing your circular part of the 5. Okay, let's look at number 6. Number 6. Number 6 is easy peasy lemon squeezy, as a matter of fact. You're just coming down like this, all the way a slant, and then you're going to come up all the way to the dotted line. So let's do another number 6. This one you are going to do a slant, and then all the way up. Do you see that? Number 6. You're starting here, and I'm going to put this as a number 1. That's your first line. You're going to come down that way, and then you're doing the circular motion there to complete the 6 or to close the 6. Then we have number 7. Number 7 is in 2 strokes. One is a slanted line and one is a horizontal line. So here we go. Hope you can see this. This is 7, So you're going to go all the way up to the solid line, and then you're going to come down this way. All the way up to the seven line, and then up down this way. So this is your first line right here that you're going to do, first line. Then you have number 8. Number 8 could be a little tricky. So you want to start in this direction. You're moving in this direction. Number 8 goes this way. You're going to start at the top. Well, let's just go from here almost to the top, actually. And then you're going to do like an S and come all the way up. That's a number 8. That's the way to do or to write a number 8. You're writing an S, almost like an S. You're going to start like an S and then pull it all the way up to close the number 8. Then you have number 9. Number 9. The first thing that you want to do is to draw the circles first in number 9. The circle, I say circles, but I really mean circle because it's just one in number 9, right? So you want to draw the circle first. It's almost like you're writing an O. I'm going to put this line up a little higher, but it doesn't matter actually. So it's almost like you're writing an O, like that. And then you're going to come here on this side and come all the way down. See that? Now, here is, I'm going to move that line a little bit because that's why it looks bigger than it really should. So I'm going to move this line a little higher so it can be equal between the solid lines, okay? So let's put this here. Okay. So, and I'm going to erase this and kind of put it out so I can rewrite the number 9. Okay. So I'm going to rewrite the number 9 so you can see it better. So you're going to make like a circle. Circle. You want to go all the way down to the dotted line. Okay, that one probably went a little further than I needed it to go. So let's do that over. So number 9, you make a circle. You don't really want to go past the line. So this is this marker is just going further than I want it to go. So here we go. So number 9, you do the circle first. Go all the way up to the line. You make that circle. And then you kind of come down here. Kind of come down here. That way. To make that 9. This is actually a better 9. So you're going to practice, practice, practice. And then, of course, number 10, you already know how to write a 9. So it's really writing a 0 as well. So number 10, of course, you know we're going to start from the top all the way down. That's a straight line. And then the 0 is going to be all covered between both solid lines. So the 0 goes from here all the way. That's your number 10. All right, so that's writing your numbers. And I want you to practice, practice, practice writing your numbers. And I guess I will see you for next lesson. Bye.